If you're looking for a short Pilates class focusing just on lower body exercises, this is going to be the perfect class for you. We're going to really be working on strengthening exercises, and as an option, use some ankle weights to make the exercises even more effective. But if you don't have them, no worries, you can still move with all of the exercises. Hi, my name is Beth, and welcome to Trifecta Pilates. Ready to get moving with this lower body workout using ankle weights as an option, join me on the mat. Let's begin standing towards the back edge of your mat, the feet parallel to one another. Take some breath in and out. The breath always supports you through life, through your Pilates class. As you continue breathing, just bend the knees and legs go straight. So the ankle weights aren't doing anything here. We're in the warm-up phase of the class. We're going to quickly make it a little bit more challenging, but for right now, just get those steady feet underneath you. And now let's let the heels lift and lower, lift and lower. So a little bit of work for balance. If balance is challenging, step off your mat. That really helps. You can even use a hand on a wall for extra support. So with some exercises like this one, the ankle weights won't be doing much. Other exercises, they're going to make a big difference. 2 and 1. Your next breath out, roll your spine down. Hands walk away from the feet until you're in a plank position. Tap the knees down, up, tap down, tap. Breathing. So just getting comfortable in plank. We're not going to be here too much longer. 3, 2, 1. Keep one leg straight, opposite knee comes underneath you. Straight leg up and down, up to down. Breathing out and in. Have a strong, somewhat slow lift. We don't want to feel like we're kicking the leg up, especially if you have the ankle weight on. It's really an intentional lift. Next time, leg lifts. Let's keep it there. Bend the knee, pull that thigh in, press up. Pull thigh in, press up. And still breathing deeply here. We're almost there. Then we're going to change the focus from the back of the leg to the side of the leg. Next time, leg lifts, keep it there, extend. Now rotate towards your long leg. Long leg goes down and up, down, up. Breathing in, out. Again, it's a lift. So if I said pause, you could pause. If you kick that leg up, you most likely wouldn't be able to pause. So lift. Breathing, straight leg right now. 2 more times. Very nice. Rotate back. Go into that plank position once again. Tap the knees. And the knees don't need to go all the way down, but just bend and straight. So yeah, a little bit of arm work, a little bit of center support work. Why not? 2, 1. Opposite leg stays straight. Knee underneath you. Long leg lift and lower. Lift and down. Breathe deeply for yourself here. Try to press evenly into your hands when both hands are down on the floor. It's that strong, straight leg lift. 2 more times. Keep thigh lifted, bend, pull heel in, and return. Pull knee in, return. Breathing deeply here. And focus on that lift up. Maybe try to lift that leg up a little bit higher every time. The back of the leg is feeling work. That's right where we want to experience it. 2 more times. Leg stays lifted, straight, rotate towards straight leg, leg lowers up. Deep breathing, strong leg. It's that lifting motion as opposed to a kicking motion. Almost there. 2, 1. Very nice. Rotate back, go to the plank position. Bend and straight, bend and straight. We're just going to do a few more, using this as a little transition. 2, knees come down, have a seat in the heels of the feet, bring yourself up. So we're back to an exercise where the weights aren't doing anything, and that's okay. Deep breathing. Feel the seat muscles pick you up, control the down. Pick you up, control the down. And we'll come back to this a little bit later on in the session as well. Now, stay up this next time. Thighs stretch back, return. Thighs stretch back, return. If you don't like thigh stretch, if it doesn't feel beneficial for your legs, you can go back to the sit and lower. And if that didn't feel good, well, your option is a standing squat instead. So there's always ways that we can do exactly as follows with the exercise, or try a substitution. 2 more times. And 1 last time. Very nice. Now go ahead, have a seat on your mat. Bend the knees, reach your arms forward, reverse, roll yourself down. Press into your feet, head heavy. Exhale, hips come up, lower down. Hips up, lower down. Press down into your feet here. So pelvic lift rather than pelvic curl, focusing more on the work in the back of the legs. 2, now we're going to stay down just for a moment so that you can flex your feet, dig your heels down into the mat, and go for that lift and down. Lift and down. Breathing out and in. Shoulders, head, stay heavy. Focus back at the legs. Keep breathing. We're just really moving with the exercises and moving between them as well. So we're non-stop class for the legs. 2, 1. Nice. Feet go down. One leg to tabletop. Single leg up and down. Up and down. Of course, your option, if you don't like single leg, both feet stay down. Really pressing in to your foot. We're almost there, and then we'll switch out sides. Next time you lower down, stay down. Foot goes down, opposite leg lifts as an option. Lift and lower. Press into that full foot here. Breathing deeply. Opposite leg just staying bent. It's pretty still. Can you soften in the chest? That's not where we want to engage right now. Focus, lower body. 2, 1. Foot down and just 5 times through, hips up, double leg option. After this, we're going to do work for the outer thigh again. 1 last time. Very nice. Lay on one of your sides now on the mat. Bend through both knees. Rotate thigh open. And open. Little clam. Again, most likely not feeling the work extra because of the ankle weight. We're going to change that in just a little bit. Next time thigh opens, keep it there, slow, straight, and bend. We're going a little bit slower with this exercise because we really want you to ensure that you're moving just from the knee And especially if you have that ankle weight on, just moving with maybe a little bit more intention. 2, keep it straight, lower down, up, just to parallel, up, breathing in, out, just keep breathing. The thigh is still spiraling outward. Next time leg lifts, pause, take the knee to parallel, lower, up, lower, up. So knee pointing straight in front of you. Deep breathing, control down, control up. Next time, leg lifts, let's keep it there. And now let's try inward spiral, down and up. So a relatively small range. Again, we're thinking lift, not a kick. Kicks aren't bad. That's just not our focus right now, especially with an ankle weight. 2, 1, roll that thigh all the way out, switch. So bottom leg straight, top leg bent, bottom leg up and down. Just make sure upper body is still feeling good, at ease. Energy in that lower leg, straight leg. You may even want to look at it, check it out. Is it staying straight the entire time? The foot is even strong, pointing forward away from you. So the lift isn't from the ankle. Sometimes we'll see this. The lift is from inner thigh work. Now keep the leg lifted, half up, half up. So we just lower it halfway down and then bring it right back up, making it a little bit more challenging. Keep breathing, straight, strong leg. 2, 1, very nice. Lay on your opposite side. Starting legs bent, feet together, clam. So pelvis, this area right here, staying still. And notice where the thigh opens to. Perhaps you want to open it up a little bit more. Can you get more range of motion out of that leg? Deep breathing. This is your opportunity to notice soften brow line, shoulders, jaw. Wherever else is holding tension, focus the work where you want to get stronger. Keep the thigh opening, extend and bend. Again, slowing it down a little bit. Even with a faster paced class, usually there's opportunities where we slow it down, not in a rush. Breathing deeply, so beneficial for the body. And especially if feeling fatigued, just recommit to deep breathing. Keep moving. 2, keep the leg straight, rolling out. A little lower and lift. A little lower and lift. Pelvis staying still. Leg staying very straight here. That's very important when we have leg in a longer position, especially with weight. Leg stays straight, straight. Pause leg, parallel, down, up. So trying to keep rest of the body as still as possible. That means we'll only be able to take the leg up a little bit to the ceiling, and that's okay. We want to keep right here is maybe where you're feeling a lot of work and effort. That's good. Pause, roll in, down, up. Breathing. Knees straight. We are almost there with this outer leg work. One last time. Nice switch. Top leg bent, bottom leg straight, bottom leg up and down. Leg straight. You can look at the leg. So you may have noticed I lowered my head down. It just is what feels better on this side, but you can stay up. I encourage you, play around with the positions here and in other classes to find what feels most optimal for you. And that can change from day to day. Bottom leg continues to stay straight and strong. Foot, ankle straight, or pointing, I should say. Keep leg lifted, lower part up, half up. Breathe deep. Where are you sensing the work? And sometimes it can be hard to focus in on that area. So just try to focus intention lifting high in the inner thigh here. 2, 1, very nice. Come back onto your knees. And again, we're not using the ankle weights right now. We're gonna hips come up, lower down. Hips up, lower down. You can go into your standing squat instead of this one. We're adding on. One leg presses forward, lunge, lower down, switch sides. So take this at your own pace. You can move with your arms too, finding a flow, breathing. Now you can keep it here where we love to add on. Stand up, tap, lower, back down, switch sides. Up, tap, lowering down. So we go lunge, stand up, lower, down. Lunge, up, breathing. And don't feel like you have to match exactly when I'm standing up. You can be slower, a little bit quicker. What is best for you? This is our last one through. One more time. Last side. Stay down, both legs down, up, down, up. Use breath. Deeply trying to breathe in and out. Maybe a little bit more challenging to find that now. One last time. Very nice. Roll yourself down. Hands take hold of the mat. Tuck your toes. Hips come up. Breathe. Hands walk to the feet. Rolling your spine up to standing. Stay standing. Bend straight. Bend straight. This is what we began with. Back to it. Now a little bit of balance work. Heels up, down, breathing. Soften the shoulders. Almost there. Heels get to stay down this time. Wonderful work. If you enjoyed that class, I think you're really going to like the 5-day Pilates challenge with a workout plan to increase strength and flexibility. 5 Pilates workouts sent straight to your inbox, and you won't find these classes on YouTube. This is a members only program that I know you're going to love. Click on the link in the first comment of this video to get started today. After you do that, if you enjoyed this class, give this video a like or leave a comment down below with your favorite part of the session. I hope that you have a beautiful day, and I can't wait for you to join me for the 5-day Pilates challenge.